Remind me, where have you been for the last 21 years? Well, I want to go back 21 years in time. You know how young I'd be? I'd be almost as young as Mr. Carmen.
Almost.
So I was on crack for.
Well, fair enough. At least you're honest. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes,
Did you post a $200 bond
yes,
to impeding traffic charge, responsible and not responsible? So there's Dewan Andre Wilson, 23B143-901A, 901B, 2OM2786266B, C, and A.
Good morning, Your Honor. PM COP 82378 on behalf of Mr. Dewan Wilson.
Your name, sir?
Before anything else gets sorted out, Wilson pleads to driving without a valid operator's license on him, a straightforward charge that lets one of his 4 open files get dismissed. It's a small win, but it's really just clearing the table before the bigger conversation about everything else he owes.
So what are we doing to this? He's pleading the no ops or dismissing the suspend on file 3901A, true?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead to that, the possible penalties are up to 100 fine, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
You just sign, read, and understand the advice of rights.
Yes, I
If
did.
you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
To the charge, no valid operator's license on your person. How do you plead? Were you operating a motor vehicle in Irene near Carter in Brownstown, July the 13th to 23 at 9:31 p.m.?
Yes, I did.
And did you have a valid license on your person?
No, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Please accept it, suspends, dismissed. And then I've got all these failures to pay. Tell me he came with a lot of money today. Tell me he came with a lot of money today. Tell me he's got at least $500 or $700 today because he owes the board a ton of money. He knows we're not a bank. You've explained that to him, right? Why you been playing with us, Mr. Wilson?
Your Honor, I just haven't been in a good financial state. I'm in a good financial state now. So,
So you got a lot of money with you today.
well, I wouldn't say a lot of money
Well,
today,
that's a lot of money.
but I can,
What you said you got, wait a minute. How much do you have?
oh, I only have like $100 today, sir. But I can make another payment tomorrow when I get paid.
What have you been doing? Where do you work here?
I work at Hearns Industrial Services.
How much you make?
Now I'm making around $75,000 a year, sir.
How long you been working there making 75,000?
I just started this job, so I want to say this is my 3rd week here. But before that, I was a material planner somewhere.
Where?
This place called Hollingsworth in Dearborn.
How much were you making there?
About 50,000, not a lot.
Are you married?
Yes, sir.
Kids?
Yes, sir.
How many?
2 kids.
Your wife work?
Yes, she does.
Where does she work?
But she works at PSCU. It's a financial institute, a call center.
Public service credit union?
Yeah, public service credit. Yes.
Smart, well-spoken guy, right? Don't you think?
I think so, Judge.
So why is he acting like a criminal
Look, I think it's all financial, Your Honor. He understands that he could have been making payments, but I know kids can get to be expensive, bills, trying to take care of everything now. He also has other reports that he has to pay. So I would ask if the court will allow him to pay $100 today and make a substantial payment tomorrow.
Yeah, it was just a big financial all time. Myself,
How old are you?
I'm 43.
You're getting a little old for this, aren't you?
Yeah, I am. That's why I'm trying to get this out the way and get this behind me finally. It's been too long.
On the no ops, if I let everybody finish.
Yes, Judge.
Have you finished?
Yes.
100 fines, 50 costs, 75 victim choice, $50 justice assessment. I don't know if I'm 270 or 5 or 60 days. How old are your kids?
I have an 18-year-old in college and an 8-year-old son.
Where's your son going to college?
Oh, my daughter goes to college at UCLA.
UCLA? Good for her. What's she studying?
Psychology.
Wow. I would like to have gone to UCLA when I was,
In the middle of a fairly tense financial negotiation, the conversation drifts to his daughter's full academic scholarship to UCLA, and for a second the whole tone in the room changes. It's a small tangent, but it says something about how these hearings aren't purely transactional. There's a person and a family behind every case number.
I didn't pay for it, sir. It's full ride.
For what?
She's very smart.
She got an academic scholarship?
Yes.
Well, I wouldn't have gotten an academic scholarship, John, to UCLA or anybody or anywhere else.
Pretty good school. Yeah.
Not as good as Notre Dame, but still, it's in the ballpark. $100 now. Can you pay the rest on that tomorrow?
I won't be able to pay the whole thing tomorrow, but I can make another payment next week, sir.
Jeff, you mean the rest of the 270?
$275.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
So you can pay 170 more, 175 more tomorrow.
Yes, I can.
100 down today, the rest by July the 16th. Now, Heather, let's go through Mr. Wilson's files here before I get too agitated. And we'll figure out how much he owes on all of these. And then you're going to give me a reasonable time frame when you can pay these. Let's start with 901B. How much does he owe on that?
That one has a balance of 362. That includes the clearance.
When can you pay that?
I can pay everything by the end of August, sir.
On the 901B, you pay $300, including the clearance fee, by August the 3rd. Balance will be waived. You got that? You can do that? $300 by August the 3rd?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go now on, Heather, to the one that, look at this. How much does he owe on 266B, Heather?
That one is 284.
Tell me when you can pay that.
End of August, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You pay this in full by August the 31st. Or are we off? No. Are we off that day?
Let me take a look.
No.
No, we're here.
Yeah, what am I thinking? Defendant to pay in full by August 31. How much is the balance on that?
That was 284.
Balance reduced to 250. On 266C, how much does he owe on that one?
That one is 362, also including the clearance.
You pay $300, which will include the clearance fee. I want to be clear about that. Includes the clearance fee by August 31. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Balance waived on them. How much does he owe on 2OM786-266A?
266A is 621.
Each defendant to pay $550 by September the 14th. Balance waived. Can you do that or not? Maybe you can't. Maybe you're committing to pay too much now.
Well, sir,
I'm asking you if you can do it, yes or no.
can I ask if you can move that, the first payment that was due on August 3rd, can you move that further down as well?
Jesus, why didn't you, well, you know, I'm going to give you till September 28th to pay on this. I don't know which file he's referring to. Do you?
The 265 is
The one that was August 3rd was the 901B.
You're pushing me, you know? You are pushing me. You don't want to push me too far. What do you want now? You want me to send
The 901B, he just needs more time than April 3rd.
make it April the 20th? Can you do that?
August the
I'm
20th?
sorry, August the 20th.
Yes, I can.
You don't have the money, you come talk to me now. So don't ignore me again. I'm telling you, if you do this again, I'm going to send you to jail on all these, and you're going to lose a lot.
Judge, I've been to every court that you scheduled so far.
Good,
So
good,
I'm not missing anything else.
fantastic. Good luck to you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Seem like a nice guy. Grow up a little bit, will you?
Thank you.
Jean Louise Trozine, 205I-2886. See, now I just love these. Ms. Trozine, your name.
Jeannie Garcia.
Remind me, where have you been for the last 21 years? Well, I want to go back 21 years in time. You know how young I'd be? I'd be as almost as young as Mr. Carmen.
Almost.
So I was on crack for,
Oh, well, fair enough. At least you're honest. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
yes,
Did you post a $200 bond
yes,
to impeding traffic charge, responsible and not responsible?
responsible.
How do you support yourself now?
On Social Security?
Case 2. This case moves fast because there's really nothing to argue about. She's honest about her situation living on Social Security, pleading responsible to a minor traffic charge, and the judge rewards that honesty with a small break on the bond amount. It's a good example of how straightforwardness can actually work in someone's favor.
Tell you what, at least you were honest. I'll make it 150. We'll reimburse $50 for you, the bond. And,
Judge, she
We're
does
gonna-
have a clearance fee also.
okay, so you got a clearance fee of $5 or $45. So you're gonna walk out, not today. They'll probably have to give it to you tomorrow. I don't know. We got a lot going. So you make sure you take care of your clearance fee. That'll be $45 plus the 150, and we'll reimburse you for the $5, okay?
Okay, when do I have the clearance fee?
You don't have to. We're gonna take it out of your bond right now.
Okay,
Is that fair?
yes,
Is that bond in her name? It is, right?
Yes,
Okay.
it is.
Go down and you can deal with them, okay? Thank you.
thank you.